What is up everyone, how you doing? And in this quick tutorial we will fix microphone problem or microphone not working while calls or while recording something problem in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for more latest videos. So to fix mic not working problem in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, simply first of all you just need to tap on settings and then do the same as I'm showing you in this video. Also this will fix your problem.